everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. It's pretty quick and easy. So let's get right into the video. Once you're in your Instagram account, head over to your profile. As you can see, there is in quiet mode showing in my account, and I just want to turn it off. So head over to the hamburger menu on the upper right corner. And you can see there is a notification options. There is a notifications option. Tap on it. And there is an option called quiet mode, automatically mute notifications at night or whenever you need to focus. So click on it. As you can see, my quiet mode is toggled on, and I'm going to turn it off and click on the toggling button, and here you can see the want to skip quiet mode instead. So I'm just tapping on turn off quiet mode, and you can see the quiet mode has been turned off. You can turn it off anytime by heading to the notifications option in the hamburger menu. So yeah, that was pretty quick and easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.